You may have observed that smart identification slows down script execution, which is not desirable. To avoid smart identification, we can change the default object identification properties. In QTP, under object identification for the web environment, web button, you may observe that there are three mandatory properties: HTML tag, name, and type recorded by default. In our example, changes in the name property are causing an error. To avoid this, let's remove name as a mandatory property and in its place add HTML ID as a mandatory identification property. Click OK. Now you can record the same three steps recorded earlier to enable QTP to store the new property values. Now if you change the name of the button from submit to login and run the same script again, the script will run fine and in the results you will observe that no smart identification was used. Similarly, in your application under test, if any of the mandatory or assisted properties change frequently for an object, you can replace it with some other suitable property. Property tweaking is an experience game field and you will pick it up as you age with the tool.